Hello all and welcome back. So today's video is pain or symptom relief. So I was going to do pain relief, but I was asked recently on a Facebook channel if people had any suggestions for the thumb. Obviously most braces for that are really big, everything else. And I told them that my PT taught me how to tape it. And they ask about it. So I'm going to quickly go through it here. So you take and you're going to want to measure down from about the that first knuckle of your thumb down to a couple inches below your arm. I actually have another one I've already cut, so I'm just going to. So as you can see, if I go from the knuckle, it goes to about there. So about there. About halfway down the arm is where I'm going to cut it. And you cut the KT tape. I use rolls of KT tape. It's what my physical therapist has recommended. The problem, or the thing being, the pre-cut don't always come the sizes you need, and then you have to either adjust from the pre-cut to what you need, different things like that. So it can be kind of frustrating. Next thing, always round the corners. It's better if you have a better pair of scissors than these, but this was what I had available. So if you round the corners, it'll help it stay better and not cause as many issues. Because the more of the fraying you have on the KT tape, the more it can irritate your skin. So just be aware of that. Plus the rounded corners can help it stay longer. Stay longer. So you're going to round the corners on both sides. I'm only going to do one side because it's taking forever, because obviously this pair of scissors is not as sharp as I would like. So then, and I'll actually get this one ready. You're going to take it and fold it down about this far. So just bigger than, well, yeah, from about here, so where your knuckle ends up, to about the top knuckle is about how far I folded it down. And you're going to cut a straight line in it and leave a little bit up at the top. And you're going to actually cut two pieces and do that. So then you'll take off the tape, put your thumb in through the hole, secure it to the front, and then pull it a little bit out. Make sure you have about half an inch to an inch at the bottom, and pull it tight down, and then the half inch to an inch. So it goes here on the thumb, and like that, and then rub it. And then you're going to take the next piece, and it's going to go to the back up here. And you're going to pull it down and secure it down here. That actually has it to where, let me cut this one out, just so you can see. Make sure I get it enough. So you'll have it like this on your arm. And on the top you have it there. So each of them supports, you have one supporting the top here, one supporting over here. If you need me to, let me know and I'll do another video where I actually, when I use it once, where I actually have it on and I can show you that. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.